you good.
I'm sorry for the girl, so till.
Hope she can give you your fucking year green card. Cause where do you come up and come scam me? You come up and come scam me. You get your 2-year green card and you think so you have your 10-year. I hope she can give it to you. My so-called husband that I bring from Jamaica, all he do is cheat on me. Tell me that he's at his brother's house in Brooklyn all the time. Every day he's at his brother's house. He spend no time with me. We don't do nothing together.
Mr. Fair Sotel, be careful who you file for and bring come a foreign. The last video I did on be careful who you file for and bring come a foreign, you see? That video is on the channel right now with over 600,000 views and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of comments. Be careful who you file for and carry go foreign. There's so much I want to say about this, and I want y'all to listen on both sides of the fence. One of the things that I hate seeing is, ladies, listen. If you have to work 3 jobs, you see, come here, the sister complain, you know, and the sister say, make we talk real. Let's talk like big people. All right. Me hear the sister complaining, and she's saying that he don't spend no time with me. All him do is, and she talk about all him do is go get it, right? He don't spend no time with me. Well, sis, listen up. How him fi spend time with you when you see him one say you work 3 jobs? Where you find time with man? That's the biggest problem right there.
Yeah, you think I'm so quiet, eh? I'm not that quiet, motherfucker. Get your stuff out my house. Why you turn back? Get the fuck out now. Come out, Corona. Yeah, people. Sorry to wake you up, neighbor.
And then she said, me work 3 jobs for make him look good. Weird. How? In a 2020 year? 3 jobs. That's not your husband, baby girl. That's a pimp. Take it however you want to take it. I want pimp that. That was your pimp.
Look at him coming out. I'm all day waiting on your germs. Yeah, all motherfucker. Come out, germs. Yeah, come out. A woman you want. Come out.
Daddy was pimping you out. No husband is going to let his wife work 3 jobs and him not contribute nothing. And she said it. She said him not do nothing. All day he does nothing. She pays the bills. All the bills. Remember I did a video where I talk about how I hate seeing progressive, productive people pick up germs. And people jump in the comment section and say stuff like opposites attract and all that. No, you tell yourself that stupidness about opposites attract. For all the progressive, productive people that's out there, listen to me. It is okay to be alone. You see, especially if you, I know everybody can do what you do. Trust me. Enough of them lazy in a blouse and skirt and nah do it. Them nah go take up no 2 job, much less 3 job. Them bed comfortable. Them couch comfortable in front of Netflix. So if you're the type of person, the go-getter, the motivated individual that can say, you know what, I need a job. And you get a job. And then you say, you know what, with all this time on my hands, me need another job. And you pick up 2 jobs and now you're having 2 incomes. And you still find time for go say, you know, so I can handle 1 3rd job. And you go pick up 3 jobs. What you do with somebody that don't have no jobs? Where do you have the time for this person? Them are go burn you. You don't have no time for them. If I'm working 3 jobs, I better have a woman that's working at least 2. That may I tell you. 3 jobs. And I hate seeing women do it all the time. Man do it too. Pick up some waste woman. And she don't want nothing other than you pay the bills, you do everything for her, and she sit on whole day. And as you gonna work, somebody else saw that out for you. But in her case, it's the other way around.
Yes, hi neighbors. Sorry to wake you guys up, but my husband in there fucking a bitch, and he's supposed to be home. All I do is work and come home, and when I work, he come here and fuck. I work and pay all the bills. This motherfucker don't do nothing but fuck, 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 fuck. I bring him from Jamaica, give him green card, and this is what I get.
Now, here what? I must say this while I'm throwing the men under the bus. You see, some of the women, some of you women, you like a certain kind of man. Me don't know, me just like bad man, or me just like, you know, me like rough man, or me like, me hear them talk, I saw them talk. Them like them kind of thing, them like wild man, me don't know, the good guy thing just don't do nothing for me SouFLo. Me hear them talk. Well, y'all know what y'all have. A lot of you know exactly what it is you have. Now she, God bless her soul, go all the way to Jamaica to pick up Krebe. And bring Krebe come to the... I have to laugh. We have to take serious thing, make joke. She go pick up Krebe, bring Krebe come to the US, provides well for Krebe. Can you imagine somebody working 3 jobs just to provide for you? You wouldn't feel good. I know I would feel good. Somebody working 3 jobs to provide for me, not demanding anything from me other than I stay home and be faithful to them. Oh, them opportunity never lit me yet, man. Maybe it's because I'm the type that I can't do it. I couldn't do it anyways. I'm a busybody kind of person. I'm always having to do something or be earning and looking for another way to expand on. I'm just that kind of person, so I couldn't be that type anyway. And the girl pretty and everything. Ladies, listen to me. Don't lower yourself. If you have to drive around looking for your man, is not your man. Okay? Listen to me again. If you have a man that gone every day, like she said, him gone every day, him gone. Every night him gone. I asked him where him there. He's at his brother's house. Ladies, if you have a man that's gone every day, every night, and you don't know his whereabouts, is not your man. You're sharing a man. Can't say you're a man that. You're sharing a man with somebody who is keeping that man for you when he's not around you. I feel bad for her. God no. But I'm a husband that she have a pimp. Now, here's a solution though for you, sister girl. Because she said, like and share, Facebook like and share. Or no share it. So may I share it.
I work 3 jobs and all he do is cheat. Work, cheat. All he do is cheat. See him there come up. See the germs there?
Right? Here's a solution for you though. So he was here for, she get him 2-year green card, you know. She said he thinks he has a 10-year green card. But obviously she's not going to get him the 10-year green card. If I were you, woman, what I would do is I would make sure that when it comes time, I would start complaining to immigration authorities from now. And I would make sure that when it comes time for a renewal for that green card, and then I would let them know that this is null and void. I would definitely seek out a divorce ASAP and let them know that this is null and void. And I would let authorities know, because in the US, you can let authorities know if you think you have been defrauded. This is for some of you out there who don't know say you are defrauded yet, because the man not start act up yet. Her man think him reach, so he's acted up. Green card come, I'm good, right? He's acting up. He's not understanding the full impact of this. So I would advise, let immigration authorities know. Some man are gonna say, yo, SouFLo, you're a big idiot for that, you know. Why for that? Well, listen, I have sisters. I care about females. I just hate to see a good woman go to waste. You know what I say? I hate to see a good woman go to waste. If me didn't have a good friend for her, I would have sent a friend her way. Me hate a good man go to waste, but me don't want them. I want to see them, progressive people, good people, link up with good people. That way. But here what she can do. She can start a divorce process. She can call and divorce. She can also call the immigration authorities and start finding out the channels to go through to let them know that she was defrauded. She thought she was in love. It's simple. Go tell them like this. I thought I was in love. He made me believe that this was genuine. But ever since the first week that he landed in this country, it has been hell. And I've been trying to work with it, but he has proven over and over again. I thought it was him trying to adjust. I thought it was him coming into a new environment and trying to assimilate into American life and build a family with me. But he hasn't had gainful employment. He does not contribute to the household. He does not stay home. We have not lived in the same house for as long as he has been here. He comes and he goes, right? And I would tell them everything. He has a full-blown relationship with somebody else around Dessa. You can tell them everything. And when it comes time for that renewal, for that 2-year green card, I bet you say him don't get it. I bet money he don't get it. Right? But it's all about the channels you take. I'm going to close this video by saying this. You don't make no man having no out in the road. I get ready for fight other woman. She was telling the girl so hurt, she confused. Because she has said, this is his new apartment. And then she has said, come home. And then she has said, don't come home. And then she has said, come home and take out your clothes. And she confused. She hurt. She hurt. Right? But I just said the thing, God, don't let nobody have you out on the road ready to fight nobody else. Don't let nobody have you driving around looking for them and knock on strange door. People will open the door and throw hot water upon you and close back the door. People will open the door and draw you in and beat you up in there. Don't let anybody have you going through all this. You out in the middle of the street screaming profanities. People looking at you. They looking at you like you're worse than the situation is. You are the one that's worse than the situation is. Them will call you man fool, man clown, all kind of something. So don't let yourself be out there like that. There are other ways to deal with this. If a man make you, a woman, feel like sex, you have to do all that. That ain't the man you want to keep. But like I said, someone don't like them type of man, so y'all will go through all that length. Cuss out next woman, fight next woman for him, and end up being back with him again, only to have him do the same thing again sometime down the road, and it's a cycle that repeats itself. So if she's one of them women that is not like that, she not into that, she really consider herself, say, I'm a good woman, I want a good man, this is not what I want, she'll get out that relationship. But if she not, then this is just one more of those things which will happen again and again and again. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. And share your own story too. You brought somebody from the islands that was like this, did this to you. What did you do? Did they change? Or did they not change and you decided to get a divorce and move on? Talk up. I'm here. It's SouFLoTV, man. I'm out. Peace.